can walk into any grocery store and pick up a box of pasta for about $1.50 or $2. But for me, the pleasure is in knowing what goes into my food. And in this instance, there's only 4 ingredients. 2 large egg yolks and 1 whole egg, sea salt, olive oil, and 1 whole cup of organic unbleached flour. Add the eggs into the flour. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. And 1.5 tablespoons of olive oil. Now mix all the ingredients together. I use a bowl to begin with because it's a little bit less messy. You can also do it from the beginning on a pastry board or on a table. The kneading process can take up to half an hour or sometimes longer. You just want to make sure that the dough is not too hard and not too soft. If your dough is crumbling a lot like mine is right now, you might want to add a little bit of water, maybe a tablespoon. Once you finish kneading, wrap the ball in saran wrap and then set it aside in the fridge for about an hour to rest. Then sprinkle some flour on the board and start rolling the dough until you get it roughly to around 1/8 inch thickness. You can leave it a little thicker if you prefer, however it's going to take a little bit longer to cook. Once you get it to the desired thickness, roll it up just like this. Now start cutting the rolled up dough into thin slices roughly around 1/8 inch thick. When you unroll the cut slices, you'll have long noodles just like these. You can cut these noodles into smaller pieces if you prefer. Now put all the noodles in a bowl and sprinkle some flour over it. The noodles are ready to be cooked. You can also store these noodles in a freezer until you're ready to cook them. I'm going to cook these right now. Fill a medium saucepan 3/4 full of water and bring to a boil. Once the water starts boiling, add your noodles. As I mentioned, cooking times may vary depending on the thickness of the noodles. Mine took about 11 minutes to cook. The noodles are now ready. I'm going to enjoy mine with my homemade chicken soup. By the way, if you like the recipe for a homemade healthy chicken soup without using chicken bouillon, please click on the link in the upper right-hand corner right now. Enjoy and thanks for watching.